another minute or two to see if anyone else comes through. Let me know if there's any questions or concerns or any niggles or anything. Yeah, no worries. Just, yeah, whenever you need to go, all good. Today, just going to need some lighter dumbbells. Just going to do some shoulder and tricep stuff. And then if you want to ask a question, just unmute yourself or pop something in the chat. Okay, so first one, a slight sort of variation from what we've been doing in the past, just with some lunges. So we're stepping backwards now into the lunge. So before we've been going sort of forward, now we're going to go backwards. So we're taking that step back and then dropping that front knee. As you drop down, you're going to reach up overhead and then come back to the start. So you should feel a stretch along the front of that back leg and into that side of the stomach as well. So we're staying all on one side, and so I'll show you from this angle. So we step backwards and reach up overhead and then stand back to the start. So as you step back, that's when your arms go up in the air. We're going to stay on one side and then we'll do on the other side. So one set on left, one set on right. Next exercise, grabbing onto the dumbbells if you have. So then done these before. So going into the forward raises for 3 and then out to the side for 3. Like that there. So 1, 2, 3 out to the front, 1, 2, 3 out to the side. If you want with the resistance band, you can do the pull aparts. So you're getting a little bit of the back shoulders working. So you can go through those pull apart ones, but if you've got the dumbbells, we'll go through the raises. So, and bring that band all the way into your chest. Yeah, perfect. Next one, going back to the legs. So we're going to side step, squat, then come back to the start, and then side step to the other side, squat, back to the start. Side step, squat, other side, squat. So you always come back to the middle and then squat again. Back to the middle, squat again. And then next one, grabbing your dumbbells again, going with the hands overhead. I'll just lift this up. Overhead, going into the triceps. So if you come from the side, trying to get your sort of elbows pointing towards the sky as much as you can, and then lifting up those dumbbells. So you should feel at the back here of the arms. With the resistance band, I have a longer one here to show you. What you can do is hold one in the hand if it doesn't go blurry, other one behind you like that, and then you can pull up against the resistance band like that. And then at halfway, I'll tell you, and then you just swap sides. Then the last one, I'll leave it up to you guys. We're going to be doing the balance, but I'll leave it up to you on how you want to test your balance, whether you want to just do one leg in the air and holding the balance, or if you want to move the leg side to side and test the balance, or you can balance on one leg and turn your head to the side. You can close your eyes. I'll leave it completely up to you. Let you sort of see what sort of challenged you the most over the sort of last few months when we've been testing your balance, and you decide on how you want to do it. Okay, all right, perfect. So going to go into the backward lunges to begin. Are there any questions before we start though? All good. Okay. So stepping backwards into that lunge, let's go in 3, 2, and 1. Off we go. Stepping back, reaching up to the sky, then back down to the middle. Backwards, reach up to the sky, get that nice stretch along the front of that back leg, but then also feeling like that front leg's getting a good workout as well doing the lunge. So when you go to stand back into the middle, drive through with that front leg. 15 seconds to go. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Give the legs a little shake. Nice exercise to really open up and stretch the front there. Okay, going on to the other side. 3, 2, and 1. Also a little test for your balance as well. Reaching back as much as you can. Get that nice good stretch. Just at halfway now. And again, strong in that front leg as you go to stand back into the middle. Got 10 seconds left. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Grabbing onto the dumbbells or the resistance band. So if you're using the dumbbells, 3 out to the front and finishing level with the shoulders for the front and the side as well. If you're using the band, just pulling it all the way towards your chest. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Off we go. Nice and strong in your core here as well. Don't want you to feel like you're swinging with your torso. Stay nice and still and upright and just feel the arms moving. Should be feeling that burn into the shoulder coming through. 3 to the front, 3 to the side. And that band, if you're going there, pulling it all the way to your chest, squeezing the back of your shoulders together. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. So we're going into the side step and squats. If you want, you can hold a dumbbell in front of you if you want to add a little bit of extra weight onto it there. But starting in the middle, stepping sideways, squat down, back to the middle, other side, squat. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, and 1. So if you're doing that there, holding that dumbbell nice and close to the chest. If you're holding onto it, don't let that dumbbell pull you too far forward. Stay nice and upright. And then squatting down like you're sitting back down into a chair. Halfway. Really feel the front of your thighs and your glutes, your bum muscles working here. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Grabbing the 2 dumbbells, going into the triceps overhead, or with the band, 1 overhead, 1 behind. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Off we go. So shoulders stay where they are. It's just those elbows bending and straightening. Trying best to keep those elbows where they are, pointed towards the sky. Good. Just at halfway now, so swapping over on the band. Good. Keep pushing through there. Keep those elbows up. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Okay, then going into the single leg balance. So however you want to test yourself here, I'll leave that up to you. We'll get started in 3, 2, and 1. Keen to see what everyone goes for. Always good to make balance challenging, but still doable. But you've got to challenge it for it to get better. 15 seconds to go. 3, 2, and 1, and we'll go straight over to the other side. 3, 2, and 1. Off we go. Fifteen seconds in. 15 to go. 3, 2, and 1. Nice, good job. Grab a drink, first round done. Feel free to ask away with any questions. All right. Another 15 seconds or so. Going into reverse lunge, stretching up as much as you can, getting along that front there. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Off we go. Seeing how deep you can go into that lunge. Really welcome the stretch on that front of that back leg. And keep driving yourself forward with that front leg. Try not to use your back leg too much as momentum as you go to stand to the middle again. 10 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Give the legs a little shake. We'll go to the other side in 3, 2, and 1. Off we go. Keep that momentum that you've got there. Try not to slow down. Got 20 seconds left. Strong in the core here, strong in that front leg. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Grabbing onto the dumbbells or the resistance band, front raises, and then side, 3 and 3. So having that band in front of you there, and then pulling in towards your chest. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Level to the shoulder, feeling definitely at the front as you go here, and then maybe a little bit more to the side of the shoulders as you go out to the side. But again, keeping the core engaged. Try and minimize how much your body swings for momentum, especially as you start to fatigue here. Coming into the last 15 seconds. Nice work. Keep pushing through. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Either holding onto a dumbbell if you wanted. Side step squat, back to the middle, side step, squat. Again, keeping your chest upright. We'll go in 3, 2, and 1. Thinking like you're sitting back down into the chair. I want you to, sort of push the hips back first as you squat down. Try not to drive too far forward with those knees. Just like you were to sit down into a chair. Just at halfway now. Let's work 10 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Into triceps. So I want you to think about keeping those elbows up here. So we're not sort of coming down into a shoulder press, staying up and just going straight and bending with the elbows. Otherwise, with the band, you've got it behind you, pulling up there. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Off we go. Nice. Them up there, driving up. Keep pushing through. Good, and then swapping over on the band. Good, keep pushing through. Last little bit. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. You can see on a few faces we wanted that one to stop soon. All right, going into the single leg balance. Again, however you wanted to test yourself. With your own 3, 2, and 1. $15 down. $15 to go. And resting there. And then we'll go straight up to the other side. 3, 2, and 1. Just at halfway. Ten more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Grab a drink, second round done. Okay. Going into those reverse lunges, reaching up overhead. And we'll just give it another couple of seconds. Okay. We'll get started in 3, 2, and 1. Last set here, so start strong. Set the pace for the entire set. Try and stick to it. Keep pushing yourself this whole round here, just at halfway. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Give the legs a little shake. We'll go to the other side. 3, 2, and 1. Off we go. Try and either match or improve the pace from that last one, but I still want you to feel that nice stretch there. So going deep into that stretch. Still want you to really open up through the front of the thigh, into the hip flexors. Halfway. Ten more to go. Nice work. Keep pushing through. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Onto the dumbbells. Out to the front and out to the side. Probably going to get a little bit of fatigue in the shoulders here, so make sure that core's engaged. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. And then on that band, really squeezing the back of your shoulders together, pulling that band apart, bringing it close to your chest, and then coming back to the start. 15 seconds in. Nice, guys. Keep pushing through here. Just 15 seconds to go now. Good. Last little bit. Keep the core strong. Still feeling it through the shoulders. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Either holding onto one of those dumbbells or just going body weight. Going into side step squats. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Off we go. $15 down. Again, keeping that core strong. Keep your chest upright. And just thinking about sitting back down into the chair, pushing that bum back and squatting down. 15 seconds left. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Grabbing that other dumbbell, going into the triceps. And if you're on the resistance band, start with the other hand first. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, and 1. That's it. Again, keeping those elbows up. Trying not to make this a shoulder movement. Try and just isolate that to the triceps. So keep those arms up high. Core engaged as well. Just at halfway now, so swapping over on the band. We'll keep pushing through, elbows up nice and high. Last little bit, less than 10. Stay strong in the arms here. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Finishing a bit easier now, going into the balance. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Stay focused here. Keep the quality high. Stay strong in the core and in the leg. just at halfway. Ten to go on this side. 3, 2, and 1. And we'll swap straight over to the other side. 3, 2, and 1. Last little bit of work here. Halfway. Ten to go. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Grab that drink that you guys have earned. Well done again today. Thank you for turning up for another Saturday.